Country Rad here again in our new still site. Come and check us out. For this season, we went and found a new still site. Unfortunately, because of this dang droughts we stays out in the Cali-Calis, the Fornias, there's a droughts. Hey, Marco.
Too many damn people in this state. Too many people in this state drinking up all our liquor water.
Yeah, it's tough. So we had to come up with a solution.
Our up squeaky trouts are fighting to live.
So we had to come up with a solution here. Let me flip this around real quick here. Here's a real quick look at the new still sites here. We've got nothing but woods here in the back. Plenty of cover above us here. Had to put a little bit of some camo nets out just to block us from the peepers and the poopers. But we got a good little setup here. So we'll check back in with you a little bit later. Let you know how it's going out in the deep woods still sites. Here comes Marco Bobby after we're done with everything. Last minute.
Let me tell you what about these boys.
Actually, Marco Bobby and Dick Bob went outside the still site and cooked us a damn good dinner while we're here running this. Just so you know. Tickle, Marco Bobby. So yeah, all in all, after all the innovations and the trials and tribulations, it turned out to be a fairly good run. Been tasting it; it's nice. We're gonna just collect the rest of our tails so that we can redistill that next run. Maybe we'll be at this same still site. Hopefully, we can. Definitely building worm box all day long, and we can call it a success. I believe just running off the rest of these tails, but yes. This run was a success. Ain't nothing easy about making liquor. The easiest part is drinking it, and we definitely went through that today. So, thanks for watching, motherfuckers.
Hold on.
Red button. Is it recording now?
Yes.
Oh well, hello there, Country Rad. Tick-tock, tick-tock. You see the timer going? We're just taking our mountain moonshine and we're proofing it down here. I broke my beaker here, so I had to finagle it and MacGyver it into something so it would stand up because the base broke off. But we're proofing it down. It came out the still, started at 155. I overfilled that a little bit, didn't I? And we're gonna temper it down with this good old spring water we got up here in Yountersville. That is dead on 100 proof right there.
Perfect. Might want to keep it at that.
You sure?
Well, I know.
I like my
I know
sipping
you're going
whiskey
down
from
to
90 to
90, 90, but you know, this mountain whiskey. We might go 100. Up
We
to
can do
you.
that.
Up to you.
How about we take a swig of it, see how it tastes?
Let's do that. That's a. Hey, say that again. That's a great idea.
Let's take a swig of it, see how it tastes. We can prove it down from there.
Okay.
This is just a starting point.
Let's do it.
Oh, it's still crystal clear right there. 100 proof. Let's take us a horn of this. That corn comes through big time. The barley too. Let's take.
What do you think?
I don't think I've ever had anything smoother at 100 proof.
Let me give a shot.
Try it.
Well, it smells delicious.
Yeah.
Shit. Not so bad.
Hey, Dick Bob.
Yeah.
Come try this proof down to 100 and see what you think about smoothness and flavor.
Be honest.
I like it.
It's pretty smooth for 100, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta go down for the Flatlanders because they can't appreciate that kind of
That's right.
moonshine up here. So
That's right.
So I'm thinking 95.
We're going.
All right, added a little bit more spring water up in here. Let's see if we can hit this 95. Nope, we're at 98 right now. Let's just put a little bit of spring water back up in here.
Fuck, I love that coffee pot, man. That's some John Wayne shit right there.
This is mountain tempering. As you can tell by the types of silverwares and the pots we use. This is true mountain tempering. All right, let's see if we hit our 95 proof spot. True mountain tempering. If that ain't 95, it's 93.
You fucked it up. 93 is fantastic. That'll work.
Pretty damn close. Give this one more stirrer up. And one thing about tempering, you also don't want to add the water too fast. It's similar to adding cream to your biscuits and gravy too fast, and you can break the milk and separate it. If you add water too fast to your liquor, supposedly you can break the water or break the liquor. I've never done it, but the old timers that I learned from told me, don't add the water too fast, slowly do it. Don't just dump water in there because something will break. And we don't want nothing broken. Smells good. Man, that's smooth. That's really smooth, actually. I think bringing it down just a bit. Come on, Marco Bobby, taste that.
That's smooth.